So hello and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in this video, kita akan tengok macam mana kita nak buat soalan nombor 24, question number 24 from tutorial chapter 5, functions and also graphs. Okay, so dia ada dua part actually. So the first part, dia part A, kat slide this one. Okay, and then the second part is B. Okay, so kita akan pergi the first part dulu. Okay, so firstly, dia minta kita find f of gx. Okay, so you need to find the composite function of g being inserted into f. Okay, so awak ada matrix pula. So awak ada function f kat sini, and awak ada function gx dekat sini. Okay, so jom kita try buat the first Roman dulu. Okay, so soalan A1. Soalan minta kita cari f of gx. Okay, so cara lain nak tulis dia adalah f dekat luar, so bracket g dekat dalam. Okay, macam tu. Okay, so kita akan gantikan dulu gx tu dengan kita punya function. So our gx is actually 2x plus 3, macam tu. Okay, so sekarang apa yang awak boleh buat, apa yang awak perlu buat is you substitute this value of x inside this one. Sebab apa? Sebab kat sini dia adalah x. Okay, so bila awak tukar x ni jadi something else, awak tukar dia jadi 1, awak tukar dia jadi 2, awak tukar dia jadi a or whatever, awak tukarkan dia jadi gx dekat sini pun boleh. Okay, tapi dengan syarat yang lain pun kena tukar lah. Everything yang ada x must change as well. Okay, so kat sini kita akan dapat 1 minus ln 3 minus 2x plus 3, macam tu. Okay, so saya buat bracket square dulu kat luar ni. Okay, alright, settle dekat situ. Okay, so sekarang kita akan cuba simplifykan. So awak akan dapat 1 minus ln. Okay, you have 3. Oops, sorry, 3 dah hilang. Okay, sebab apa? Sebab dia cancel out kat sini dengan sini. Okay, and then you are just left with a negative 2x inside the bracket. Macam tu. Okay, so settle. This is your f of gx. Okay, so second part pula. Second part soalan minta kita sketch the graph. Okay, so you need to sketch the graph of the composite function that we have found earlier in the previous part. Okay, so ni adalah graf yang melibatkan ln. Okay, so awak tulis semula awak punya function. So you have f of g x is equal to 1 minus ln negative 2x. Okay, kejap I need to check this one first. Saya takut tersilap. So I think it's just substituting g into that 2, 3, negative 2x. Betul. Okay, so this is our function. Okay, so it's about ln function, logarithmic function. Okay, so let's go through the step one by one, macam mana kita nak draw. So the first step is shape. Always shape. Okay, so kita tengok dekat sini, dekat depan ni. Depan mana tak tahu. Depan ni adalah negative. So this one indicates our y. So that is y negative. Okay, and then dekat dalam bracket over here is indicating our x. So x is negative as well. Okay, so y negative, x negative. It is going to be in the third quadrant. Okay, so graph line dia macam ni. Macam ni ataupun macam ni. Okay, so kalau dekat third quadrant kita akan ambil yang this one lah. Okay, so graph kita dia close to what exists but it never touch. So from third quadrant pergi ke atas macam ni. Oops, you don't touch. Tak dengan sentuh. Okay, macam tu lah. Okay, jangan sentuh. Okay, so itu adalah shape kita. Okay, so second step. Okay, so dia mesti ada vertical asymptote. So vertical asymptote. Okay, so vertical asymptote awak nak dapat dia, awak akan ambil sahaja dalam bracket ni. dalam bracket ni awak buat dia equal to 0. Okay, so kita akan dapat dekat situ we have negative 2x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. Okay, so itu adalah kita punya vertical asymptote. Okay, now we can draw our graph. So awak buat paksi dulu. X and y exist over there as well. This is x, this one is y, 0 dekat sini. Okay, so graph awak dia akan start from the third quadrant going up nearer the y axis but it will never touch. Okay, so kalau tengok dekat sini kita ada intercept over here. We have an intercept, x-intercept. So awak kena cari apa kita punya x-intercept dekat situ. So that one is our fourth step. To find the x-intercept is when y equal to 0. Okay, so awak buat equal to 0 kat depan. And then equal it to 1 minus ln negative 2x. Okay, so from here awak akan dapat ln negative 2x is equal to 1. Okay, so dekat sini kita nak hilangkan ln, so kita put exponential kat dua-dua belah, exponent kat sini. Okay, so awak akan dapat negative 2x is equal to e power of 1 is e. Okay, so x will be equal to negative e over 2. So dekat sini dia adalah actually negative e over 2. Negative e over 2. Okay, so dah siap. Sebab soalan minta kita sketch je. Dia tak minta kita cari domain and also range pun. So settle. Okay, first part settle, second part settle. Okay, so let's move on to the part B. Okay, so apa sebenarnya soalan nak? Soalan minta kita cari F inverse. Okay, so that one is the first part of our question. Okay, so let's do this one first. Okay, so nak cari F inverse ada dua cara. Awak boleh guna cara let ataupun awak boleh guna property. Okay, most of you guys I think love to use the let method. I think it's easier. Okay, sebab daripada sekolah menengah kita belajar yang tu kan. Okay, so jom kita guna yang cara let tu. So kita akan let, we are going to let our function fx equal to y. Okay, so kita nak dapatkan x sebagai subjek. So we inverse it, f inverse y. Okay, so jom kita try. So substitutekan sahaja fx awak. So awak ada 1 minus ln 3 minus x. Okay, and then equal it with y. So awak akan dapat negative ln 3 minus x is equal to y minus 1. Okay, kita nak tinggalkan x sahaja dekat sebelah kiri. So kita akan removekan everything. Okay, so and then kita hilangkan negative. We multiply both sides with negative. Okay, so awak akan dapat ln 3 minus x is equal to 1 minus y. Okay, so nak hilangkan ln, kita akan letak exponent. So exponent over here, exponent over here. So you will have 3 minus x is equal to e to the power of 1 minus y. Macam tu. Okay, so nak x sahaja. So kita akan dapat 3 tolak e kuasa 1 tolak y sama dengan x. Okay, siap. So we have already found x over here. Okay, so x ni sebenarnya sama dengan this one. So just substitutekan sahaja. So awak akan dapat f inverse y is equal to 3 minus e to the power of 1 minus y. Okay, tapi soalan tak nak in terms of y, soalan nak in terms of x. So substitute y with x, you are going to have f inverse x equal to 3 minus e power of 1 minus x. Settle dekat sini. Okay, so second part, the last part is this one. Soalan minta kita cari domain and also range of f inverse kita. Okay, so kita dah ada f tadi. So sekarang kita dah cari f inverse. Okay, so saya nak tulis dulu apa yang kita ada, maklumat yang kita ada. knowledge yang kita tahu based on F and also its inverse. Okay, so this one is first part. Okay, so second part, kita tahu the domain of F will be equal to the range of F inverse. Okay, and then the range of F will be equal to domain of F inverse. Okay, so ini adalah information yang kita tahu. Okay, so sama ada kita guna ataupun tidak, kita akan tengok. Alright, so let's try to find the domain and also range for this one. Cari domain dengan range dia. Okay, so kalau graph exponential, awak tahu basic shape of exponential graph is ada 4. Okay, so basic shape dia saya lukis kat sini. Oops. So exponential bentuk dia E kan. So awak ingat dia memanjang ke sana. Okay, so dia hampir nak sentuh x-axis tapi dia tak sentuh. So maksudnya graf awak dia macam ni. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Okay, this is the basic shape of your graph. Okay, so from this basic shape, good, let's try to determine what kind of shape that we have over here. Okay, so kita punya y sekarang, this is y. So y is negative. And then our x dekat atas ni adalah negative juga. So y negative, x negative, kita punya graph akan jadi dekat kuadran yang nombor 3. This is our graph. Okay, so kita padam yang lain tu. Kita tak nak yang lain tu. Okay, so let's padam yang lain supaya kita tak confuse. Padam. Okay, so itu adalah graf awak. Okay, so kita tengok dekat sini. Kita punya domain dia akan goes from negative infinity. This one is negative infinity sampailah positive infinity. Okay, so semua nilai dia akan ambil. That is our domain. Okay, and then kita tengok kepada kita punya range pula. So range kita, dia akan start from negative infinity. This is negative infinity. Dia akan naik sampai kita punya vertical asymptote. Is it vertical? No, it's horizontal asymptote. Okay, naik sampai horizontal asymptote sahaja. Okay, so horizontal asymptote adalah nilai y. So awak akan tengok nilai y dekat sini. Dekat function awak tadi, inverse function awak. So it's this one. Okay, so ini adalah kita punya horizontal asymptote. Okay, so right over here, we know that our horizontal asymptote is y equal to 3. Okay, so meaning that, tulis balik, the domain of f inverse is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay, and then the range of f inverse is actually from negative infinity up until 3 only. Okay, so settle kita punya domain and also range of f inverse. Okay, that's all in this video. Bye bye.